Here's the flow chart for my training module about one-point perspective drawing. The first slide that you'll see is the title page. Then I will move down to Introduce One-Point Perspective Drawing, and from there the learner will see examples of what one-point perspective is. From here the learner will have a choice. They'll see a slide that says one-point perspective art vocabulary. If they don't know what the vocabulary is, they'll go to the next slide. It'll introduce the vocabulary and they'll take a quiz. If they do know what the one-point perspective art vocabulary is, they'll take the vocabulary quiz right away. Whether you know what's going on or if you're not quite ready, you'll take a quiz or you'll be introduced to that, and then you'll move on to the next section. The next section is illustrate the steps for creating one-point perspective, sidewalks, roads, vanishing points, and horizon. If the learner knows how to do this, they can go directly to the quiz. If the learner doesn't know how to do this, they'll learn the steps to create the city, and then they'll take the quiz that shows the steps. The next part of the module will be to illustrate the steps for creating a building in your cityscape. Again, the same thing applies. If they know how to do this, they can go straight to the quiz to show the steps. If they don't know how to do it, they're going to learn the steps to create a building and then take the quiz, and they'll be able to illustrate the steps for how to create a building. The last part of this module will be to illustrate the steps for creating doors and windows on the roadside. If the learner already knows how to do this, they'll go down, take the quiz right away. If they don't know how to do this, they'll learn the steps to create doors and windows, then take the quiz. At the end, they'll be rewarded with "Congratulations, you are ready to start the drawing process."